Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So yes, from the title, I hope you can understand today's video is going to be on the skincare routine or the skincare therapy. And before starting the video, I just wanted to ask you, do you suffer from any kind of pimple or acne? Do you cleanse your face every day? Or do you want to get the clear skin? Of course, all kind of questions will be answered here in this video. So for this, you have to keep on watching. Now before start, I just wanted to inform you that if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe it, and you can see the bell icon just right here. Click on it so that whenever I upload any kind of video, you can get the notification. Now no more talking and let's get started. Now very recently I have come across one of the Indian brand, and which is called the Sirona Hygiene. They have some amazing skincare range as well as some amazing women healthcare products, and I just got my hands on the two of their beauty products, and these are super amazing because I am using these products and I am just noticing some changes over my skin. So I just wanted to share my reviews and my views on the products which I am using right now from this brand Sirona Hygiene. So I will give all the links of the products which I am going to review in my description box below, so you can check out, and of course you should visit their page and you can get to know more about the products. So let's get started with the products which I am using from these brand. So first I have this face wash. This is called the exfoliating face wash from Sirona brand, and this is very good face wash because it contains some of the scrubbing particles in it, which can actually help you in two ways. It can help to clean your face as well as it can exfoliate also. So it is saying that it contains some pepper fruit, apricot seed, flax seed, mint oil, and no chemical added here. So all the ingredients are very much natural, no chemicals are added in it, so you can use without any fear. Now it is a very good face wash as it contains some of the antioxidant substances which can actually help to rejuvenate your skin, and of course it can also prevent some kind of damages from the skin. So it is rich in anti-inflammatory substances, antioxidant substances, and of course it can help to moisturize your skin also. So I am using this face wash and it is really amazing. It can help to get rid of all kind of problem which I was facing some day before, because some kind of hyperpigmentation was there on my face. So yes, I just now I am noticing there is no hyperpigmentation on my face, so of course it works for me. Now the second product, which is a face serum, and this is looking like this, and the packaging is like this, and it comes in this type of container as you can see here. So yes, now I'm going to open it. Yeah, so this is the bottle, and it also has some applicator that it can help you to apply the face serum all over your face. And this face serum is actually consists of salicylic acid, tea tree oil, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. All the components are very essential to clean your face, and of course these are very essential to get rid of any kind of pimples, scar, and acne, and that can cleanse your face very well. That can actually remove all kind of pigmentation and all the kind of dark patches you have in your face. This face serum is the best because I am using this two of the products, and really I am amazed with these two products. Now let me apply this product on my face so that you can get to know how the product is beneficial or how it works. Okay, so I am back again and I'm ready for cleansing my face with the face wash, and let's see how it works. So firstly I'm just taking off my eyelashes. Yeah, it's done. I have taken it off. Now I'm going to use this face wash and opening it and taking a little bit of this over my palm, and I'm going to gently just rub it all over my palm, and then I'm going to use it just gently. I'm going to use it all over my face. Now this contains the scrubbing particle, and it is really very helpful to clear your dirts and also the dead cells which are present over your face. So it's really good, but don't just rub harshly because that can cause some scratches over your face. So do it very gently so that all the dirt and the dead cell can come out. So I am doing it very gently with my gentle hand. So I'm not removing my eye makeup, I'm just removing my face makeup and just show you guys how it works. It feels really good because it contains all the essential components that create some amount of flavor and smell, and you can feel the freshness. So yeah, just rub it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I am going to wash it off and coming back very soon. So I'm back again and I just washed it off. So now the time for using the serum all over my face. So after using this face wash, I think you can see that how clear my skin is. Now I'm going to apply the face serum and just see how it works. So yes, I'm just opening it and take a full pump of the serum all over my palm, and I'm going to just gently rubbing all the things. Just you can say it is the warming up process, and then I am going to apply it all over my face. So in a very gentle hand, I am again applying this face serum over my face. So guys, as you can see, it's a foamy kind of thing because it contains salicylic acid, and which is very good for your skin, which can help to reduce the pigmentation. It can help to balance your pH over the skin. Of course, it can make your skin very clear. So I'm just gently applying the serum over my face and also the neck portion, rest of the amount which are left over. So just gently push all the things in your skin and also in your hand, the leftover part, and yeah. And as you can see, it is completely, penetrated through my skin. And it gives a natural glow also after using this face serum. So I am just in love with these two products because only these two products can make you so beautiful without any makeup. Just see my skin, it is without any makeup, and you can see it is glowing because of the exfoliation, because all the dead cells are gone. And of course after that I have used the face serum that can again, it looks like a glass skin. Just see it here. and I am so happy after using these two products, and I will also highly recommend you to purchase these two products. I'll share the link in my description box below so you can check it out. And yeah, my experience is very nice with this brand, with these two products. So yeah, I am so happy. So thank you so much for watching this video. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.